Are you looking for the best home cleaning in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best home cleaning. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Morton Salt Kitchen Counter Cleaner. This is hands down my most recommended product. If you choose only one item from this list, let it be this one. It's eco-friendly and non-toxic, making it safe for people, pets, and food. While you could theoretically spray an apple and then eat it, we don't actually recommend doing that. It cleans impressively well, and I use it on my fridge interior, countertops, bathroom, windows, and just about every hard surface in my home. Up next in the 6th place is the Charlie's Soap Laundry Powder. Out of all cleaning categories, I tend to test the most laundry products, so I have a vast supply of laundry detergent. It's telling that I purchased this detergent again before even finishing my current stash. It works exceptionally well, removing stains better than any other brand I've tested, including big names, while also being eco-friendly. Coming in at number 5 is the AspenClean Oxygen Bleach. I'm a firm believer in separating laundry largely due to this product. This powder functions like standard bleach, but is actually oxygen bleach, a natural, plant-derived product known as sodium percarbonate. Unlike traditional bleach, it's not harmful to skin or surfaces and is color safe. I add a spoonful with the provided scoop, and my whites have never looked brighter. At number 4, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo J9+. Although I don't frequently use robot vacuums, this one is my go-to for impromptu dinner parties or when I need multitasking cleaning. Its smart features are impressive. It quickly maps my home and identifies obstacles with ease. The self-emptying base is a must-have for robot vacuums, and this model is the most sleek and attractive I've encountered. Fun fact: when I was testing robot vacuums for the 2024 Clean House Awards, I named each of the vacuums after members of One Direction. I affectionately named this one after Harry Styles, my favorite member of the band, and it coincidentally ended up being my favorite robo-vac as well. The 3rd product on our list is the Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. I've always trusted the Bona brand, even before becoming a cleaning editor. After testing other floor cleaners, I can confirm it's still the best option. I love the shine and cleanliness it gives my floors, and it's an EPA Safer Choice designee. Second on our list is the Chom Pet Hair Remover. Every pet parent needs this product, I'm not exaggerating. Despite how often I vacuum or use a lint roller, I always find more hair that this device picks up. I've tested similar products, but none perform as well as this tool. Finally, the top product on our list is the Puracy Pet Stain and Odor Remover. Every pet parent occasionally faces cleaning up vomit or an accident. In such cases, this spray is my go-to solution. It works effectively on both soft and hard surfaces and neutralizes odors. The best aspect? Its enzymatic formula continues cleaning even after you've walked away. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.